All right, I thought I'd share this with y'all. I have never seen anything like this in the campground before, and there's too much to talk about to do a short. So we've got a Fun Finder X 210 WB, had the wheels taken off of it, bolted to a flatbed trailer. Then you've got a toolbox that has come off of a work truck that they use as a garage for storage. They get into it with the ladder. This great aluminum step system. I've never seen anything like that before. Pretty awesome. A triple axle. I'll find the name of the trailer here in a minute. And then they have room to carry two motorcycles, a Spider RTS and a liquid cooled Harley Davidson with the adventure packs on it. The trailer is an Ironbull, super stable with these big drop down arms. Single slide out camper. You don't have to have tags on it because it's not really on the road. All you've got is tags on your trailer. Got the propane tanks set off to the side with an auxiliary propane line running to it. There's the Ironbull trailer logo. He's built a wood box to set his truck camper top or toolbox in. He's got a gooseneck. I mean, that's ingenious. It's crazy. Have y'all ever seen anything like that going down the road? So anyway, one thing we like to do on our channel is show you all the neat ways that you can camp. And there's literally a way for everybody to do it. Follow us for more camping adventures, and thank you for joining me today.